Okay, so the chair is complete. It took me no more than 20 minutes to make. As a review, I'll go through it, every portion from bottom to top. The wheels, it was very well designed. I mean, it is made of plastic, but as you can see, the gray portion of the wheel is made of a rubbery material that, you know, so when you roll it, it doesn't make that much noise, and it also doesn't scratch the wood flooring that I have here. As you go up, there is no like major dents or any scratches or tears. It's in very good condition. The chair itself is very cushiony. You can see the cushions are just very soft. So is the back. So whoever buys this is not going to have to worry about having a really hard chair or having a stiff chair. On the side we have the lever to tilt the back and to raise the chair. Both work perfectly well, as you can see. There you go, now it's taller. Overall, it's a very good chair. It's very sturdy, very comfortable. The instructions were very detailed, and it was nice for them to tell me to position the screws before tightening them, because it could get a little harder to fit one side when the other is completely screwed in. Yeah, so it was a chair well bought.
That'll let y'all know that the leather on the arms is not put together well. You have to take this off and restaple it to the back side to get it to hold. The chair's not all that easy to put together. And as you can see by the other photo, the frame came with a nice little dent in it. Not too shabby. I think I'll be rating these guys about a 2. But all in all, it looks like a good chair. We'll see how she holds up.